In this video, we are going to take a closer look at the various elements that help power the Doodly app. When you download the app to your computer for the first time, you're going to be directed to a login screen. Just log in using the same email that you used when you purchased the software. Now, after logging in, you're going to be taken to what I call the home screen. Now let's analyze what we got here. When you are ready to create your video, you are going to click this big plus sign. Now over here is where you have your project tab, and on this tab, when you create your video, the title of your video will appear here. The date that you created it on will appear here. If you did any modifications, the last date that you modified the presentation will appear here. The length of your video appears here. How many individual scenes your video has will appear here. Now this section is called Actions. When you are ready to open your video, you can click this blue tab. And if you have a video that you want to get rid of, you can delete it by clicking the trash can. Another way that you can gain access to the marketplace is by clicking here. If you purchase the standard version of Doodly and you would like to upgrade to the enterprise level, just click here and purchase the upgrade. Remember in a previous lesson I said that in order to activate the color feature you would have to purchase the Doodly Rainbow add-on? Well, you can do that by clicking here. Now I must say that this is money well spent, because having the ability to create videos that add color will definitely take your projects to the next level. Doodly offers a wide range of additional software that allow users to broaden their scope of capabilities when it comes to creating videos. So click on any of these additional links to check out all that you can do with your membership. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna jump up here to the top of your screen where there is a quick access panel. When you create videos, the last 7 will appear at the top here, and you can simply click on the choice and be taken directly to the production room where you can view or edit the scenes or export the video. Hi everybody, Kellyanne here. Now you can watch each of these videos at videocaboose.com, where they are neatly organized for you into one continuous tutorial, and that makes it super easy for you to pick up where you left off. If you still need to purchase the Doodly software, I placed the link down in the description box. Click on it. All of my videos are free to share on social media channels by clicking the share button. And oh yeah, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Alright, let's get back to work. Now this top panel up here often gets overlooked by users, but let me tell you, there are some really useful links here. The Doodly link allows you to quit the software. It's not a logout feature. Instead, it simply closes the Doodly app. When you revisit the app, you should still be logged in. The file link allows you to save as, to close, or to export your video. The edit link gives you quick access to the undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, or select all capabilities. The window link allows you to toggle between the full screen, which is what you're looking at right now, and minimize. Now click here if you would like to visit the Doodly website for answers to your questions or any concerns that you may have. If you want to access or update your profile, you can come here and click here. You will be able to add your photo to your profile, change your password, and view your purchases. Now at the very top here is your Doodly version. Doodly is constantly updating the platform, and I like that. I mean, for all my time using Doodly, I have never worried about whether the platform would become obsolete because of all the updates. So I think you're in good hands. Well guys, that's enough for now. We've only just begun exploring all the features the Doodly app has to offer. In our next lesson, you will learn how to organize your Doodly videos using folders